Hi guys, this is Mar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini so you get more ideas in any new project that you want to start. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and also like the video. Alright, so first things first, we're going to open gemini.google.com. This is Google's AI, which is, in my opinion, one of the best ones. What you're going to do here is you're going to upload the project that you're working on. So I have this PDF of a project that I have been working on in the past few years, and I'm going to upload it. So this is a prompt that I'm giving Gemini to help me brainstorm new ideas, to get new customers, or to increase my past sales. Of course, try to be very specific when it comes to your prompt. And in just a few seconds, I got new ideas for this project. Of course, remember to check information and to keep the conversation going, because the more AIs get to know you, the better the responses will be. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.